iOS 26 just landed. I mean, it's been in news for some time now, and it's not just an update, it's a complete redesign. But here is a shocker: not every iPhone is getting it, and even fewer will unlock the full power of Apple's AI upgrade. So if you are holding on to a older iPhone, this might be your last major update. So which iPhones made the cut, and what are the 10 new features worth getting excited about? Let's dive in this video. So we want to look at which iOS support iOS 26, the liquid glass iOS. First things first, will your phone run iOS 26? According to Forbes, iPhones from series 11 and up are eligible. That include the SE, second and third gen. But Apple is dropping support for the almighty iPhone XR, XS, XS Max. Yeah, officially done. Here is where it gets tricky. Only the iPhone 15 and Pro newer will have access to all the Apple Intelligence features. Apple's new AI suite. A quick breakdown. iOS 26 supported iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, SE 2 and 3. The ones that are not supported is XR, XS, and XS Max. So AI features only on iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, 16 series and above. You see, this is one thing about iPhone. They will just like this guy said, Darlington, he said they will stain your white. They will stain your white in the sense that, come on now, iPhone will be the one that will announce to us that this is the best iPhone ever made. And in the next 1 year, they have made another best iPhone. And of course, they will show you that the iPhone you are holding is rubbish. You see how they change the 14 Pro Max port in 15 Pro? They changed it to Type-C. So, proud Type-C user. So, you carry an iPhone and they say, you are using a Type Lightning cable. You imagine that kind of thing. So, they drop other phones while they allow the newer ones to get, on board. So if you are using anything below what I've mentioned, you will still get your design and some core features, but no AI magic. So if you are in 11, 12, 13, 14, no AI magic. The liquid glass design refresh, that's the second thing that you'll be getting. Now, we're talking about what iOS looks like. Apple calls it liquid glass, and honestly, it's stunning. From the video I watched, I knew that is going to be amazing. Now, by the way, it's going to come out in September 2025 for everybody to be able to use, those who are eligible, not like everybody XR. Think transparent menus, floating buttons, softer animations, and overall futuristic vibe. I see it like they are trying to make us look through a glass, and so easily we can adapt to the Apple glasses. So that's exactly what I'm seeing from that update. So it brings iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and even visionOS under the same visual language. So this is the biggest UI change since iOS 7. It feels that fresh. Yeah, it is actually new. For the first time, they are doing something new. But then, of course, quickly you must come to understand that this thing is not new. Other phones have been using it for some time. Yeah, other phones have been using it. And of course, it's also in some of the Windows XP of those days. Yes, if you check very well, you will see that some of the Windows XP update, it was there. Let's look at some of the 10 best iOS features you will come across in this. So the first one is widgets on the lock screen, now interactive and customizable. Second, you have live translate in real time. You can translate voices and text on calls and FaceTime instantly. Again, number 3, you have chat polls. That is custom backgrounds in iMessage. Group chat just got fun, so it's going to be amazing. Now you also have wallet upgrade. You get boarding pass, maps, gate alert, and flight status. All that, I'm not sure it's for us in Nigeria. Number 5, new Safari UI. Slicker tabs, focus mode, and smoother performance. You get that Safari UI will become better. I hope they put something more peppery inside of it so that we can use desktop mode inside of iPhone, because that wala is still unsettled. You will have number 6, camera overhaul. Easier switching between photo and video modes, new layout. Of course, we have been doing this, but then it's going to be more amazing. You get Apple Intelligence, smart suggestions, writing tools, gen emoji, and custom image creation. Also, you will have the auto mix in music, AI powered DJ that transition between songs automatically. You get photos plus journal app Revamped. That's number 9. Easier storytelling, smart album grouping, and markdown export. Number 10, you have smart CarPlay and Apple Watch gesture. It will dismiss calls with a flick plus more CarPlay tools. Now, if your car does not have CarPlay, you still will not be able to use these features. So you understand what I'm trying to say. What you will miss if you don't have a Pro iPhone. Yeah, there's some things you will miss. The biggest features in iOS 26, the AI stuff won't be available on your iPhone unless you have got the 15 Pro, 16 or newer. What you will miss out without a Pro chip: AI generated images with image playground, which Kagan said he does not even know what that is for. It's a playground, image playground. We are not playing here. Please don't mention. So Gen emoji, you create your own emojis with text prompts. That's going to be amazing. You smart document summaries, voice transcript, screenshots, understanding. That one will not be available if you don't have the Pro AI chip. ChatGPT level replies built right into the OS. Now, if you ask Siri now, if you say Siri do something, Siri will tell you that, should I ask ChatGPT? Is that supposed to be a question? You are supposed to just go directly and tell me this is what ChatGPT said, not that you should be asking for my permission to ask ChatGPT. Just give me an answer. So if you're an older model, you will still love the new look and app improvement, but if you want the full experience, it might be the time to upgrade your phone. iOS 26 is Apple's boldest update in years. If you got a supported iPhone, you'll feel the difference the moment you swipe. But if you want all the AI power, you will need the horsepower of a Pro model. Let me know your iPhone model in the comments and what feature you are most hyped for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped. Wait for September 2025. That's when you'll be able to get it on your 15 Pro and your 16 series. So I'll see you again in my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you again.